Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the lid seal in a Whirlpool washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new lid seal. The lid seal prevents splashing through the lid and provides a soft bumper for the lid to land on. If the lid seal is torn and the lid is banging on a cabinet when it's lowered down, the lid seal should be replaced. Open the lid. There are 5 tabs that hold the seal in place. Bend slightly the seal and pry it off using the flat blade screwdriver. This is the old lid seal next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Install the new lid seal and push it on to lock in place. Close the lid. Plug the washer in and make sure it runs good. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.